If you're holding more than 50 Solana, make sure to watch this video as I go over where I see Solana heading in the short term and giving you guys a realistic price prediction in the long term. And by long term, I mean the next bull market, and who knows, the bull market might potentially be here, so you may not want to skip on this video. I will also be going over the overall market. Currently, it's looking half and half. A lot of alts are going berserk right now, like Pepe and some other sort of tokens. Bonk is down by minus 16%, HNT minus 17%, so there's a lot of red in the market, and I'm going to be going over BTC, SMP and DXY for you guys, just so you guys have an understanding on where the market is going to be heading in the next coming days. Now, on this channel and on, throughout my whole journey in cryptocurrency, I've been analyzing the charts and I've literally been calling every single point. So you may not want to skip on this video, guys. And of course, like I do like to mention in every single video, nothing in this video is financial advice. But let's just have a look at Solana currently. We wanted it to touch that $100 mark, right? It hasn't really done so, but it's really reaching that point, and it's kind of just losing momentum. If we're looking at it on the daily, we have 3 big daily green candles, and it's starting to show the red, right? And at the time of me recording this video, I'm recording it on the new day. So this is the new day and it's starting to show red. And of course, if we're looking at it on the 1 hour, it's creating a lower low. Now, like I do always mention, it's not about predicting these charts, right? It's just giving you guys an educated sort of an answer, using my experience throughout the whole crypto market. Now, what you shouldn't be doing if you are a trader is trading against the momentum. If you guys are a trader and you're an experienced one, then you would know this. You shouldn't be trading against the momentum. You don't want to be feeling a lot of stop losses over here, right? Because that's going to be eaten up, by a lot of people who are going for longs, right? It's going to be eaten up by long wicks. So do not be doing, stupid trades like that. You want to be kind of, just watching in this moment, right? You want to be watching in these sort of moments where Solana is going to be heading, because it's very uncertain. Yes, I'm giving you guys an analysis on it, but it's through an educated guess, through my experience, of cryptocurrency, right? Like even at this point, I knew it was going to bounce off here, but because of the momentum, it was always going to sort of touch that resistance again and sort of test it and continue upwards, right? So even though I'm saying, cool, it could bounce off of this resistance, it could literally just come straight back here, up and down, and it could continue upwards, right? That's also a possibility. The thing is about analysis is there's different sort of possibilities that a certain coin could do. And Solana right now, it's kind of just losing momentum, bouncing off of $100, and the reason why Solana has been pumping in the past couple of days, right, is because of the meme coin season. As you guys know, Bonk has went up by it's been parabolic, right? It went up by a crazy amount, and there's other sort of small micro cap shit coins that have also went up with it. So Bonk actually going up, and Bonk is of course on the Solana mainnet, right? So you trade it on Solana using your Phantom wallet or wherever you can buy it. So right now you can buy it on Binance, Coinbase, and other sort of stuff. And it's not just Bonk, right? There's other small shitty micro cap on Solana mainnet, which people are trading right now and making a lot of bank. When people are trading those Solana meme coins, right? If we're actually having a look on Twitter, there's a guy that's, this is 2 hours ago, some guy's trying to launch a token on Solana and people get into that, right? There's a lot of degens in this market, and you can actually make money. I've actually been diving into this, to be honest, in the recent weeks, because, when meme coin season is back, you got to get on it, right? You got to get on it, and I'm going to be launching a Discord soon for those sort of calls. I've been making 10x's, 20x's of meme coins, even 2x's, which is totally, it's insane. The meme coin season is back, guys, and that's the reason why Solana has been pumping. People are making a shit ton of meme coins and then exchanging it back to Solana. When you buy on PancakeSwap, for example, Phantom Wallet, right? When you're buying off of Phantom Wallet and you're using Radium, right, to swap to swap Solana for a Solana token, you're buying that token, right, off. Let's just say you're buying that token for 1 Solana, right? You're buying that token for 1 Solana. It goes up, and then your 1 Solana turns into 10 Solana, and then you trade that token back to Solana, which then, you know, 1 Solana is turning into 10 Solana, which is why this whole Solana has been going insane in the past 2, 3, 4 days. This is because of meme coins. Meme coins has been kind of just shooting this chart up, and I'm not sure when it's going to stop, and it's not good to trade against the momentum, you know, if you guys are a trader. But yeah, Solana currently sitting at $95. Now, whether it does go down from here, which I do, like I said, it's an educated guess. It's not a prediction. It's just me, you know, giving you guys my opinion on where I see Bitcoin heading. You know, there's two possibilities. It could literally just go up, you know, and break this resistance, but from my experience, I highly doubt so. It could potentially just come here and then go back up and test it again and then shoot up, or it could potentially just go down here, and that is highly dependent on S&P and DXY, you know. And DXY and S&P, we have been following it on this channel for God knows how long, right? It's very important to have a look at S&P and DXY. If you guys don't know what S&P and DXY, then get to know, guys. Go on YouTube, have a look at S&P and DXY. I may potentially upload a video on it, specifically on how it kind of how you're highly dependent on it when it comes to the market. But with S&P 500, it's coming at a point where, you know, we've been waiting for quite a while now. It's testing its recent ATH. And when a coin, when the market is testing the recent ATH, it's going to be a big resistance. So Bitcoin may potentially have its local top, which is what I am thinking, to be honest. Whether it does shoot up from here and go to 47.5k, that may potentially also be the local top. But right now, it could also, there may be a high chance that this is the local top for BTC. Local top is 44k, and it was an insane run. If we're looking at it on the weekly, right, we're looking at a ton of weekly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green weekly candles, which is insane. It's mind-blowing to think that BTC would have this sort of run, you know, the amount of money that's flowing into the market, right? But yeah, 44k, it could potentially be a local top right here with DXY, right? This is the US dollar index, and right now it's starting to kind of get to a point where it could bounce off of this sort of support line. This support line has been bouncing off of it 1, 2, you know, three times. It broke past it on the 17th of July. No, it broke past it on the 13th of July, and it came straight back up, right? On the 13th of July, let's have a look at BTC. On the 13th of July, essentially was quite a while back, right, down here. And that's when it tried to break above. In fact, you know, when DXY tried to, you know, go down, right, in this area, it's basically an indication that BTC would want to dump, or the whole market would want, to pump, essentially, or BTC would want to pump. And as you can see over here, 13th of July, BTC really wants to get above this resistance line, and it did not want, and it couldn't, because of DXY and of course SPX on the 13th of July, right? You really need to be looking at the market as a whole. It's not just BTC, which is the master of everything, right? It's the master of crypto, that's for sure, but you got to be looking at other sort of aspects. But yeah, right now we're looking at a really good point on S&P, right, which we have all been waiting for. 4,800, right, 4.8k on the S&P, and if it does kind of shoot down from here, then we're looking at BTC at a local high for sure, in my opinion. But you know, anything could change. S&P could kind of test this again, keep testing it, and then continue up. You never know. When it comes to momentum, it's really hard because you can't really stop. You know, when the market is really bullish, you cannot stop it. That's one thing I've learned in cryptocurrency. It's really hard to stop a sort of market that's really bullish. People have been saying, okay, it's gonna go down from here. I'm going to be waiting for a big dip to buy into Solana. Continues up. Over here, people are saying, I'm going to wait for a big dip. Never comes, continues up. Over here, people are most probably thinking, I'm going to wait for a big dip, buy Solana. It's never going to come, right? So do remember that, guys. You know, it's highly important to remember that. Yes, you could kind of predict something sort of with an educated guess, right? As you can see, trend line is so easy. It's so simple to put a trend line here. It's very easy. You can pick up Solana at around these points whenever it reaches there. Whether it reaches there though, it's to be discussed. You know, it could happen. It may happen. It may not. And that's for you to decide of your own analysis, right? That's mine. But yeah, that's Solana right now. And the whole crypto market. The meme coin season is back, guys. And yeah, it's been Cryptoverse. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.